Breastfeeding tips, importance, benefits and foods to avoid. Why is breastfeeding important? Your milk is the ideal source of nutrition for your infant. Breastfeeding provides your baby with antibodies promoting his immune system development. Types of breastfeeding. Type 1. Exclusive breastfeeding. It refers to relying on breast milk to feed your baby with no other food or drink. Type 2. Expressing breast milk. It means squeezing milk out of your breast and storing it so you can feed it to your baby later. Benefits of breastfeeding to your baby. 1. The optimal source of nutrition for your baby. 2. Good for your baby digestive tract and immunity. 3. It lowers your baby's risk of ear infection and a lot of illnesses. 5. It provides perfect mix of vitamins, carbs, protein and fat. Visit our website trymypriceonline.com.